What you getting, Parker? Shh, Parker, look at his mean face when he bubble biting's a mean sport for Parker.
Watch out for Jonah.
Oh, you're squishing it too hard. Oh, he's such an angry devil dog when it comes to bubbles. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're pushing that thing too hard. You make everything leak out. Whoa, Parker, shush. You can get the bubbles, but don't bark. Oh, get him. He blew him with his face. Yeah. Parker, bubbles. Parker, bubbles. Is that fun, Parker? Is that fun? Oh, did he just bite you?
He hit me with his teeth.